Hi guys, welcome back to Power Up with Kaynee. Today we're going to make some delicious almond flour tortillas. Guys, you can do so much with these tortillas. You can have them for breakfast. You can put scrambled eggs. You can totally have it for a snack too if you put a little bit of butter on there. You can have it for lunch as a taco with ground beef inside and all kinds of toppings like cilantro and onion.
And carnita.
Yeah, you could do eggs and carnita. So
that's my favorite.
Lots you can do with this. Absolutely. You can also use these as a wrap if you make them larger. You can make them kind of like a sandwich wrap. You can put turkey meat in there. You can put avocado, spinach, a dressing of your choice. So these are very versatile, very easy to make, and very low carb. So let's get started. Evan has all of the same ingredients that I have over here.
Can I mix the egg?
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the dry ingredients. The first thing you'll need is 1 cup of almond flour. So we're going to put it in there, 1 cup of almond flour. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum. This ingredient right here is super important, guys, because this will help everything to come together. So if you don't put the xanthan gum in there, the almond flour will not mesh together and your tortilla is going to fall apart when you start kneading it. So go ahead and put this one in here. This one. Good job. Okay. The next thing you'll need is 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. So we have ours right here. We're just going to pour that in.
Put it in already.
Awesome. And then let's integrate all of the dry ingredients. So you're going to mix those really well. So all of the dry ingredients are very well integrated before we start adding the rest of the ingredients. So let's do that. Let's mix that in really well. You're doing great, Evan.
Yours looks dark and mine looks like lighter.
Really well. Then you're going to add your wet ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, we have 1 egg. That's right. You can go ahead and pour your egg in, Evan.
That's my egg.
That one's your egg. Yep, you can pour it in. And then we have 1 tablespoon of room temperature water. So go ahead and pour your water in.
Is this my water?
Yep, that's your water. You're gonna pour that in. And then we're gonna mix that in.
Mixing the huevito.
We're mixing this huevito and making sure everything is very well integrated. It looks so yucky.
Yeah. I don't know why it looks so yucky.
Okay, and you'll notice that your dough will start getting a little bit clumpy like this, and that's what you want. You want to make sure that all of your dry ingredients integrate really well with the wet ingredients.
This is so great.
Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Yours is right there.
There we go.
Awesome. And then we're going to mix that all in. When it looks like this, you want to get your hands in there and integrate all of those ingredients together with your hands. So you want to start kneading it in the bowl.
Hey, Mama, can I put my hands in there?
Yeah, you can. Now guys, we're going to get our hands in here. We're going to start kneading it just like this. It's all going to come together. Kind of like you do with Play-Doh, Evan, where you're getting it ready to shape into a cool dinosaur or a Godzilla. You want to squish it like this, Evan. Squish it. So it all gets nice.
It looks like Play-Doh.
And if a little chunk comes out, you grab it and stick it back inside. You're kneading it. See, and it's all coming together super nicely. And you want to pick up all of those little pieces. And now we're going to pick up all of our bowls.
Am I doing great?
You're doing great, Evan. All right, so it's coming together nicely, looking just like that.
Is mine great?
I think you're doing fabulous.
Is Look at what it looks like, guys.
It looks amazing.
It looks like Play-Doh. It feels like Play-Doh.
It does feel like Play-Doh. Okay, so our dough is looking fabulous. Evan, you want to show them yours?
Okay, wait. I'm gonna shape it up into a ball.
Look how fabulous that is looking. Wow. Okay, now let's get some parchment paper.
Wow, that's a big parchment paper.
There's this here little piece of parchment paper.
Oh, that's a nice grip.
Okay, so we're gonna knead it a little bit more on this parchment paper. Awesome. That's looking great, my Evan. You can make about 4 tortillas. So I'll make 4 and Evan will make 4, so we have 8 total. All right, go ahead and set your little ball right there. And now we're going to divide the ball into 4 pieces. And we're just going to use this knife right here. Great job, Evan. You're doing fabulous. Okay, so 1,
like a
2,
that looks like pasta.
3, and 4.
I'll just cut it with my hands.
Hi-ya! Okay, well that's one way to do it.
That looks great.
That does look fabulous. Okay, so 1,
And then I'll
2. Do you want to do that one? Okay, press it down. Awesome. 3 and 4. What we're going to do is we're going to shape them into little balls. There we go. There's a little ball, just like that.
Mine looks like a gold ball.
How many balls do we have?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, wow, we have 8 balls. That means we're gonna get 8 tortillas. And normally we would use a tortilla press, but guess what? We lost our tortilla press. So we're gonna make one at home. If you don't have a tortilla press, this is a great hack and they come out just as beautiful as if you had a tortilla press. So all I did is I cut 2 gallon size Ziploc bags. Evan's going to use 1. And we're gonna put 1 tortilla, 1 at a time, Evan. Let's do 1 at a time, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna put 1 tortilla on 1/2 of it, or 1 tortilla ball. Now I'm gonna have you press it down. Press down hard. Awesome, keep pressing, keep pressing. Good job. You wanna press until it's nice and thin.
See it moving.
Spectacular.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm peeling it off.
Good job, Evan.
Whoa.
Guys, look at that tortilla. Isn't that
Yes.
beautiful?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Okay, and now remember, we're gonna peel the plastic off of the tortilla, not the tortilla off of the plastic. And that way it doesn't lose its shape.
It looks amazing.
Okay, we're gonna set it off to the side.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we're going to do the rest of them in a jiffy, and then we're gonna go over to the stove to cook them up. You're so adorable.
What's more?
All right, my friends, so now we've moved over to the stove and we have this pan here set to low medium heat. And Evan's going to be my helper since he can't handle the fire here. We are going to just have him hand me the almond flour tortilla.
When I'm big like you, can I put the tortilla in?
Totally you can. So for these, you can put a little bit of oil in the pan, but these don't really need it. So let's go for it. I can only fit about 3 tortillas in here. And we're gonna give each batch about 2 minutes on each side.
Oh, it looks like a man.
Does it look like a man?
Yeah.
With a head and the arms? You're looking for these to be golden brown on one side before you flip them. Already the smell is amazing.
That smells so good.
So it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. And I want to show you what you want it to look like. Do you see how that is golden brown? That's when you want to flip it.
Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, that smells so good.
So now we're going to flip all 3 of them.
Whoa.
Wow, these are amazing.
And then flip over. Woo.
Awesome. Okay, let's give this other side about 2 more minutes and then we'll move on with our next batch. This is what it looks like when it's all done. You can see golden brown on both sides. The possibilities are endless. You can put eggs on here, you can put ground beef on here. This is our finished product. These are amazing. They are so delicious, so versatile. You could use these for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for a snack. I can't wait to put a little bit of butter on one of these and a little bit of additional salt and give it a taste. I'm rubbing some butter on here. Look at that, it's just melting in there. And then I'm going to add a little more pink Himalayan salt. Our recipe already has salt, but the salt on top just gives it the kick it needs. All right, and now let's give this a taste. So good. Delicious. For more healthy and delicious recipes like this one for low-carb grocery hauls and short content ideas, hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell icon. I post a video once a week to help you power up and become a healthier you. Bye until next time.